Let's take a look at importing one of these predefined Python modules. Now, remember, the whole point of utilizing these modules is to save us time, less coding on our part, because it's already done for us. For example, we can utilize the math module to be able to bring in several mathematical type functions that are already programmed, already coded out for us. All we need to do is import the module into our projects, and it'll give us access to all of these various mathematical functions. Take a look. So here I am inside of the Python shell, got my prompt, and I'm going to demonstrate importing the math module. Now, actually, before I even do that, take a look. I'm just going to type in math. Okay, that's actually the name of the module that I want to get access to. If I give it a moment here, I'm going to hit my period there, a little dot. Give it a moment. This is going to open up a little drop down that's going to give me a list of the various functions that are contained within that math module. Now, as an example, let's say I pull out the sqrt, the square root function, and I want to be able to find the square root of 16. Now, once again, this is already built for us. I can get access to it anytime I need it. But there's one important step that I'm missing here, and I want to demonstrate what's going to happen right now if I don't do that important step that I'm missing. I'm going to go ahead and hit my enter key. Everything looks good. It gave me a little drop down here inside of the Python shell. I can find the square root function. I dropped in 16. I'm going to hit enter, and now I've got an error. Ooh, name error. Name math. It's not recognizing this guy right here is not defined. Well, wait, I typed it in there, hit my period, and I got a list of all of the math functions. Well, remember that the important step is first, I need to import this math module into my project. So I'm going to use the import keyword, and I'm going to import math. I'll hit my enter key. All right, now nothing on my screen changed in there, but it went through successfully, no error. So I'm going to type in math again. Math dot. Give it a moment. I get that little drop down. Once again, there it is. Great. I'll type in sqrt. I got my square root function once again, and I'll bring in 16. All right, everything's looking good. I'm going to hit my enter key, and there's my square root. All I did, right? All I did was use the import keyword and import the math module. This is pre-built, already accessible to us. I really don't have to do a whole lot other than import it and gain access to the various functions that are built into that module. Ultimately, once again, saving us loads of time. Now, if I bring math back in once again, let's say dot, it's going to give me a list of all those functions. Look at all those. There's quite a few of them in there. Let's see. I'm going to grab the ceiling function, and I'll bring in 3.2. So we'll find the ceiling of this numeric value here. I'll hit my enter key. 4 is the ceiling. Let's see. Math.floor. 3.2, I'll use that same number once again. Let's find the floor. 3. Already built. Again, I don't have to write any additional code to be able to get that to happen. I just get access to it because I've imported that math method into my Python project, and now I get access to all the functions that are already there for me. Quick, easy, saving you loads of time.